go back to the Global Leadership Summit where Prashant and Nigel are in conversation with Parag Thakkar. Nigel. I think it's one of those games.
Oopsie. All right, I think we'll get to that. I'll get back to the game in just a bit and try to do a little bit better. But plenty of games. We have a booth out here. We've got a markets though to deal with. So going to hop across to Prashant. Prashant, well, I tried my luck yet again. And there are a couple of booths as well.
It's GLS,
yeah,
right?
GLS. So you try to
Where
move across.
Did you reach which curve? Which part of the curve did you reach?
G.
No, I think you started with S.
It's just at the start because it got a little bit too noisy. So I said, let's get back to the market action then, since we're almost into market.
Absolutely.
Start.
How much time, right? 6 minutes to go for market open. The pre-open is ended, as Surabhi and Mangalam are telling us. Let's actually welcome in Parag Thakkar now, right? And to the conversation. Parag, hi. Come in. Please, right at the center.
Welcome, Parag.
All the best.
Yeah, please. So Parag, of course, has been with us for a long time, and you is a regular face on CNBC-TV18. Markets, Parag, a little wobbly, a little shaky.
Yeah, I think because of the last Fed meeting, where Powell said that December rate cut is not a given thing. After that, you have seen some bit of jitterness amongst FIIs, and FII selling has increased. They have shorted more. But I would like to say to FIIs one clear message, that was the largest banker of India, SBI, tells you with a 44 lakh crore loan book that my credit cost is below 50 bips. I am increasing my credit growth guidance from 12 to 13 to 12 to 14%.
Yeah.
Okay, and the $100 billion market cap is just the beginning of the story. Stock is trading at just 7.5 PE and 1.1 times price to book. And they are inching up towards 1.3% ROA. And they have already said that Q2 is the bottom of the margin. So NIMs and ROA are all going to expand. And so you have a subsidiary value unlocking.
Yeah, and SBI, I remember 2021 or so is when the re-rating, that big re-rating started.
When Mr. Khara was there.
Exactly. For about 2 years, it completely re-rated. You think, and then it's taken a break.
Yeah.
You think the second leg starts?
No, I think Indian, based on whatever I'm hearing on ground in terms of Indian economy, after this, whatever steps government and RBI has taken in terms of GST cut or in terms of interest rate cuts of 100 bips, and to start with, whatever developments they have said, government and RBI has delivered, I think they'll go, you'll have to give some time. So I think next 18 months, I'm extremely positive on Indian economy and anything which is facing India business. For example, if you see results also Q2, starting from Reliance, L&T's order book, 6.67 lakh crores, right? SBI upping its credit growth guidance. Right. All banks, SBI, ICICI, HDFC, reporting credit cost at 50 bips only. Many banks like Axis, saying that now their credit card and personal loan portfolio will also pick up and it has stabilized in terms of NPAs. So I would say that core economy is recovering significantly. Yeah. Some of my small portfolios, small cap stocks, like yesterday 2 companies reported out of my portfolio, Minda Corp and Flair, both reported excellent numbers. Right. So I would say that companies are doing their best. Government and RBI has done their best. Now time will tell.
Nigel, before today, by the way, Piramal, I remember this because you have a view on Piramal, right?
Yeah,
Parag?
yeah.
I
have it in our
and Piramal Finance is listing today.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we'll have the pictures come up a little later. 10 o'clock is the listing. Any thoughts quickly, just to wrap up the financial point?
Very bullish on that company.
Okay.
Because I feel that Mr. Jairam and his team has done a wonderful job.
Yeah.
See, to bring down a legacy book from 43,000 crore to 6,000 crore without taking significant hits. And now the growth book is at 80,000 crore, which is going to compound at 25 to 30%. Right, and they have a huge operating leverage. Their cost to OPEX to asset ratio is going to decline significantly. That will give a big push to their ROA. So here is a company where your ROA is going to expand significantly by around 1%, and your loan book is going to grow at 25-30%. So you'll have a double.
I saw Parag saying that you said double or 3 times.
So basically, just based on numbers, if the credit quality does not worsen, and if the economy behaves well, then you are clearly seeing a PAT of 4,000 crores in next 3 years.
All right, Parag, very quickly, we've spoken about the banks and financial space. Give us 2 more stocks from the broader markets, very quickly.
No, so basically, as I told you, yesterday my 2 companies reported numbers because that is very fresh in my memory.
Minda and Flair.
Both reported excellent numbers. You see, Minda reported 19% revenue growth, 19% EBITDA growth. Flair reported 30% growth in PAT. So I would say that, all companies actually, I would say, all decent, good companies in their own segments are doing their best.
Okay.
And government is and RBI.
So we have Minda, we have Flair, SBI, L&T and Reliance as well as Piramal Finance. Those are some of the top.
Yeah,
By the way, Parag, Reliance, right? I mean, yesterday there was that report, Bloomberg report,
About the IPO.
ascribing a value to Jio.
Yeah.
Right? So,
$170 billion.
So, I mean, say for example, filing happens in January or whenever it happens. What's the play here? You buy, I mean, Reliance
100%.
straightforward?
100%. Yeah, straight away. Because see, the higher the value Jio and the retail gets, the holdco discount, whatever market describes, which I don't fully agree to, but market describes, then also Reliance will look attractive.
Yesterday,
and first, don't forget Q3, Reliance retail can do very well. Q2 already they did 16% EBITDA growth.
Right. Got it, Parag. I'll tell you what, I think we're getting into market opening, but we appreciate you joining and we'll keep having a chat during the course of the day.